Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we were stepping into the world of the glamorous ankle strap, high heel sandals, shoes that bring sophistication, allure, and a touch of sparkle with every step. Close your eyes and picture it, a woman walk into the room, she confident, graceful, and radiant. What the detail that complete her look? A pair of ankle strap high heel that frame her feet like jewelry, making every step an unforgettable moment. The sandals are not just accessories, they are statements of style. The beauty of ankle strap sandals lies in their designs. That delicate strap circling the ankle does not just hold the shoe in place, it creates definition, adds femininity, and gives the illusion of longer, leaner legs. Paired with high heel, this design elevates not just height but also confidence. It's not wonder ankle straps heel are favorite for red carpet, wedding parties, and glamorous evening. Now let's talk about the glamour. Some ankle strap sandals shimmer with restaurants, crystal, or sequins that sparkle with every move. Others shine with metallic finish, gold, silver, or rose gold, catching the light like molten elegance. And then there are those minimalist design where the beauty lies in the thickness of strap and flawless craftsmanship of the heel. Every pair tells a story. A black satin ankle strap sandal speak of timeless chic, a glittering silver pair whispering of starry night. A bold red high heel with an ankle strap radiates passion and confidence, and a nude sandal with delicate straps blend effortlessly, letting the outfit shine while still adding a touch of glamour. Crystal embellishment sandal perfect for wedding reception or evening parties, sparkling under the lights. Glamorous red versatile, matching almost any outfit. Chic and understand elevating the legs beauty. These sandals are not just for an occasion, they work beautifully with gowns, coquette dresses, saris, lehengas, and even the chic jumpsuits. When it's a glamorous wedding night, a formal dinner, or a night out with friends, ankle strap heel are the kind of shoes that transform your look instantly. And then comes the emotional touch. Shoes often carry memories. Another reason women adore these sandals is the versatility of high heel. Some prefer sky high for dramas, others go for mid heel for balance, while some love chunky block heel for comfort without losing glamour. No matter the choice, the ankle strap ensures style and security in every step. The glamorous ankle strap is also a symbol of confidence. So whether you are a bride looking for a perfect sparkling heel, a bridesmaid searching for comfort and style, or a fashion lover curating your evening look, a pair of glamorous ankle strap high heels is always right choice. Every sparkle, every shimmer, and every step tell the world that elegance never goes unnoticed. The sandals are not just shoes, they are confidence, beauty, and glamour right around your feet. The glamour ankle size heel is also a symbol of confidence. Fashion icons and celebrities have also embraced this design endlessly, from Hollywood red carpet to high fashion runway. They photograph beautifully, they flatter outfit, and every bring an instant dose of elegance. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more fashion contents and ideas.